welcome to your math video. I am your math teacher Jeevita. In today's video, you are going to learn something new called algebra. Okay, what is the meaning of algebra? Have you heard anywhere? It is also a part of math where you will be using letters and numbers together. Like if I want to write 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is the equation, right? We use in math equation. But I may not know which number to add with 9 sometimes. Okay, I will explain the situation. If I have any unknown number here, instead of this number means, I may not know I should add 1 here. It is not compulsory that I should add 1. Sometimes this number may not be given. In that case, I write any English alphabet in the place of 1 here. So, the equation will be 9 plus x is equal to 10. So, this is called algebraic equation. So, algebra is nothing but equations or mathematics where you use letters with the operations. Okay? So, let us consider some examples. Now, think you have a basket full of fruits. Okay? And in that, you don't know how many fruits are exactly there. So if you think you have a basket and you have a basket full of fruits here, and I don't know how many fruits are in the basket exactly. So let me say the number of fruits in the basket are n. So I am going to say the number of fruits in the basket are n. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add 2 more fruits in the basket. How many more? 2 more. So what will be the equation now? Beginning, I have n number of fruits and I am adding 2 more to that. I am adding 2 more to that. This is an algebraic equation. So same thing I can take away some. Like I am going to take away 3 from it. I am going to take away 3 from it. So actually how much you had? You had n plus 2. Now I took away 3 from it. Okay. So these things are nothing but algebra. So you will be learning more about this. And for making certain equations you have some keywords. So for addition, how will I know whether I should add a number or subtract a number with the n? So this n which I wrote there, this has a name called variable. So any English alphabet where I write that in an equation, which means which I don't know what is the exact number for it, that is known as variable. Okay. So how will I know whether I should add a number to the variable or subtract a number to the variable, or should I multiply them or should I divide them? How will I know? There are certain keywords to know for it. So this is very important, children. Let's see what are the keywords for it. So for addition, if you see the keyword added to, comma, some, comma, more than, comma, increased by. If you see this word in any sentence, it means you should add a number to the variable or add the variable to some number. That is added to, some, more than, increased by. Example, I have 5 chocolates with me and my friend gives me X number of chocolates. Okay, so I added my friend's chocolate with mine. So what did I do? I had 5 chocolates. Okay, I added my friends also. Added how many? My friends is X. I don't know how much did she give me. Okay, I added those chocolates also with my chocolates. So the equation is 5 plus X. It's like that. Okay, if you see these words in the equation or in the sentence, it means you should add the variables. Similarly, you have keywords for subtraction also, where you have subtracted. Difference between. Less than. Decreased by. So, if you see all these words in a sentence, it means you have to subtract the number with the variable or variable with the number. Similarly, when you see the keywords like multiply, product, if you see these two keywords, it means you have to multiply them. And then for division, you write divided by or quotient. So if you see all these keywords, children, it means you should write that operation, that symbol when you are using the statement. So you will understand this better when you go and work it out in the exercises. So now let's all take out textbook. Page number 186. Page number 186. Exercise 16.1. Exercise 16.1. So let's start the exercise 16.1, children. Look at the first name. Write or frame an algebraic expression for the following. That means they have given a sentence, you have to write it in the equation. So first one, 5 is added to a number x. So what is given? 5 is added to. So you should write plus to a number x. So I write x. So this is the equation for the sentence given there. So let us try one more, second one. A number decreased by 9. They have given a number, but they have not given that number. What is that number? So you can take any variable you like. Variable means any English alphabet. So let us take A or B, anything you like you can take. Okay, so a number. So I write it as A. Decrease means minus by 9. So 9. A minus 9. Third one. The sum of number and 25. So, sum of, it means you should add. They are adding a number which is unknown. We don't know what is that number. So, take any letter you like. I write B. And 25. So, 25. So, let's try the fourth one. 30 times a number y. You didn't see the keyword in the previous thought. Times would also mean multiplication, children. So 30 times a number means 30 into number y. So y. If they are given the letter, you should use that letter only. If they are not given it, you can use any letter you wish. So first one, 28 less than number x. So 28 is less than number x. So they are saying 28 is less. So write it afterwards. X before, because x is greater. Because in subtraction you should always write greater number in the beginning. So x minus 28. So I have shown you half of the problems here. Other half I want you to try and tell me the answers in the interactive session. Now let's go for the second one. Secondly, convert the algebraic expression into statements form. So, the opposite of this. You write it in the equation form, right? In the first main. Now we will write it in the statement, in the second main. So, what is the first one? It's m plus 5. So, what can I write? M is added to 5. Okay. Then let's try the one more. A, B. You don't have any sign there. No addition, multiplication, division. That means if you don't have any sign like this, if you have a question like this, it means it is multiplication. It is multiplication. So what you will write? You can write A multiplied to B or A times B. A times B. Times is also the keyword for multiplication. Third one. 8 division M. Sorry, 18 division M. So right, 18 divided by. You saw it in the keyword. So I write 18 divided by M. So fourth one, Y divided by 3. Y divided by 3. So fifth one is also same thing. Before that, you have to little difference. So you will see what you have. 3p divided by 4. So p has a base number with it. That means it is getting multiplied here. Okay. First you will write 3 times p. Okay, I'll write the number. 3 times p is divided by 4. So first I had multiplication, so I wrote that 3 times p, and then this is divided by 4. That is what I have written in statement. Now let's go for the third medium. Find the value of the following expressions. If L is equal to 3, M is equal to 6 and N is equal to 8. So I'll show you how to do that. The third means, see they have given the value of L. L means you should write 3. Wherever you see L, you should write 3 in that place. Similarly, M is 6 and N is 8. Okay? So let's go for the first one. You'll understand it better. First one, what is the question? L plus 3, right? L plus 3. So whenever you see L, what you should write? You should write 3 in the place of L. So what will this equation be? 3 plus 3, because L is equal to 3. You can see here. So 3 plus 3 is 6. The value of this equation is 6. Okay. So try the next one. Second one. M minus 1. So when you see M, what you should write? M means 6. So instead of M, you write 6 minus 1. So what is 6 minus 1 equal to? 5. So value of M minus 1 is equal to 5. Now let's go for the third one, where L divided by 3. So it is L is 3. 3 divided by 3. When you divide two same numbers, what is the answer you get? It is 1. Now I'll show you the last little difficult sums which you may feel difficult, children, like the 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll show you those sums, how to work it out. So I am taking the 12th one here, where the question is M into N divided by N. It is not very difficult. Just write the values here. What is M equal to? M is equal to 6 into N is equal to 8 divided by N is equal to 3. You all know what is board mass rule. So which you will do first? Board mass. First you should do division. So divide 8 by 3. Okay. What is the answer you get? What is the answer you get, children? 2 are 6. So you get 2 remainder. Decimal point 0. 2 6 are 18. again 2. So it goes on like that. So after dividing this, you get 2.6. This you should multiply with 6. Multiply this with 6. What is the answer you get? 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. After 1, keep a decimal. So this will be my answer. Okay. This is my final answer. So let me show you one more like that. So I will take the 14th one here. N into L divided by M. So first write the numbers in the place of the alphabet. N is 8 into what is L? 3 divided by 6. So first you multiply this both in the numerator. You get 8 3s are 24 divided by 6. So now cancel this, children. What you get? 6 1s are 6. 6 4s are 24. So answer is 4 by 1. That also can be written as 4. So my answer is 4. This is my answer. Now you are clear with this, children. I show you one more sum. That is 15th one. L into M divided by N. So L is 3, M is 6, divided by N is 8. So what is the answer for 6 into 3? 6 3s are 18, divided by 8. What you get? Do the division here. 8 2s are 16. 2 remainder, keep a decimal, add a 0. What do you get? Next one. Again, 2s are 16, 4 remainder, 0, 5s are 40. So the answer for this is 2.25. This is the final answer. So it's very simple, children. Just doing normal addition, multiplication, division. But they will give you question in alphabet. You should write the numbers for it and solve it. Okay. Now let's go for the fourth main. If X passengers X represents your age, then write the following statement algebraically. So let's see what is that. So now let's go for fourth main where they have said X is my age. Okay. X is my age. I don't know what is my age. Means I know what is my age. But if you want to represent anybody's age, you may not know their age. So let that be equal to X only. Okay. So 7 years from now. What is the algebraic equation for the first one? 7 years from now. If my age is X now, what will be the age after 7 years? It will increase 7 times, right? It will increase by 7. So it will be X plus 7. Similarly, 4 years ago, B1, 4 years ago. Ago means you should go backwards. If my age is X now, what was my age previously? Before 4 years, what will be my age? It will be 4x minus 4. X minus 4. Double of your age. Double means what, children? When you multiply anything with 2, it is double. So if my age is X, I want my double age. So I multiply this with 2. If you don't write anything, it is understood, it is multiplication. Next B question. 3 times of your age. So 3 times means multiplication. So I don't write the multiplication symbol of my age. That is X. So these are the equations in algebraic statements for the last mean. So algebraic equation, that's it, children. It's very easy. Practice it. Write the answers in your textbook, and I'll be asking it in the interactive session. Any doubts, you can ask me in the interactive session too. Thank you. Bye bye.